In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quizzes for funnels in GoHighLevel. It's a great way to engage your audience while collecting valuable data. Let's get started by diving right into the process. First things first, we need to create a funnel. Head over to the Sites section and click on Funnels. Here you'll see a button labeled Plus New Funnel. Give it a click and you'll be able to add the necessary pages such as a quiz page, a results page, and perhaps a thank you page if you like. You have the flexibility to start from a blank funnel or choose from their existing templates, honing the flow that suits your needs best. Now that your funnel is set up, it's time to build the quiz itself, which typically involves creating a survey. Navigate to Sites and select Surveys. Clicking Plus New Survey allows you to compile questions that will form the backbone of this quiz. When adding quiz questions, the choice is yours, quite literally. You might want to incorporate multiple choice questions, single select options, or perhaps drop-downs. There are also options for short and long text responses, and even rating scales. To illustrate, for a fitness quiz, you might ask, what is your goal? How often do you exercise? And what type of workout do you prefer? To increase the effectiveness of your quiz, enabling the multi-step survey option is highly recommended. This feature elevates the user's experience by allowing only one question to be visible per page, which you can activate within the survey settings. While there, don't forget to turn on the progress bar. This approach smooths out the funnel experience and often enhances completion rates. Next, we delve into the power of conditional logic to personalize the quiz-taking journey. This is where questions adapt based on previous responses. Suppose someone selects weight loss as their goal. Subsequent questions about fat loss are displayed. For those aiming for muscle gain, strength-building queries are more applicable. To achieve this, access your question settings and set up conditional logic rules. Capturing leads is a pivotal purpose of your quiz. By adding fields for contact information and either at the start or midway through the quiz, you're transforming visitors into valuable leads. Gather details such as name, email, and phone number to maintain a connection. Upon quiz completion, redirect users to a results page, or you could choose a booking or offer page. Provide tangible outcomes like a recommended fitness plan, scores, service recommendations, or relevant product suggestions. Incorporating automations with GoHighLevel workflows is crucial. Set triggers like survey submitted or form completed to jumpstart actions such as sending personalized emails, scheduling appointments, or assigning tags, which can automate your follow-up process seamlessly. Lastly, facilitate future marketing by segmenting your leads with tags based on their quiz answers. For instance, assign tags like beginner, high intent, or weight loss to distinguish user preferences and needs. With your quiz ready, it's time to share it with the world. Embedding is straightforward. Whether it be on funnels, websites, landing pages, or platforms like WordPress and Shopify. Simply use the embed code or provide direct funnel links, and you're all set to roll out your engaging and intuitive quiz to your audience.